Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Apple Topics. And in this video, we have my MacBook 2009 Meet. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to dust out your old MacBook so it doesn't get as hot as usual. I'm going to go ahead and launch an app which will show you how hot my MacBook actually gets. Usually it will get up to 90 or even 100 degrees Celsius. So let's go ahead and check this out. Hey guys, so welcome back. My computer does get very hot, and just so you know, you can check out my dock. I have no apps open except for Max fan control, and actually I just opened it up. And as you can see, the fans are at full speed at 6,200 RPM. And you can see the temperatures are very hot. And today I'm going to be trying to show you guys how I will go ahead and open this computer up. Now just keep in mind that every single MacBook has a different process, and that this MacBook, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and be using my iPad Pro to see a tutorial on how to do this. But if you do go into Safari and go into iFixit, I really recommend iFixit. It's not sponsored, but it's one of the best things you can use for guides. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and shut down your computer. In my case, I want to quickly quit Max fan control. And if you have a Mac, you can go into your app logo and go into shut down, and then you have to wait, and then you can go into shut down once again, and that should shut down your computer. Okay, so my computer just turned off. You want to close it up. Just one last thing, guys, don't remember to disconnect your MacBook, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can now start. Okay, so first of all, you want to flip this around. And this model, you have 3 screws right there. They are retention screws, so you won't lose them. By the way, these are the only retention screws in all the computer. So if you don't want to lose like those screws, do go ahead and get like a magnetic mat where you can place every screw where it was so you don't lose it. I really highly recommend to do that. In my case, I'm just going to use a little tray of plastic I have to maintain every screw I have. So I'm going to go ahead and take those screws off, and I'm going to come back. Okay guys, so once you have taken out these 3 screws, it would initially be like this, and you just take it out like that. It's kind of bendable, so yeah, don't worry if it bends. It's not going to happen. Nothing's going to happen to it. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 3 screws, which are different sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so now I have taken these 3 screws out. You can definitely see they are different sizes. So just don't lose them first of all, and also don't mix them. Next up, you have to take out 3 more screws that are right there, almost down below where the other screws were, the same size. You can use the same screwdriver bit, but this one do come out and instead of just staying there. So you do have to take care of these. If you see my face or something, just ignore it. It's because sometimes I don't have very good eyesight, so I have to get close to what I'm doing because I can't really see very well, and that's the reason. As you can see here, we have our last screw from there. And next up, you want to go ahead and take out 2 screws that are here. Don't take out the 2 screws that are right next to the battery connector, and those are not the screws you want to take out. The screws you want to take out are the ones that are here and here, all the way to the edges. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right there so you can go ahead and see right there. So after you take those 2 screws, you're gonna go ahead and take out other screws that are over here. Don't take all of them out, it's not necessary. Okay, so I turned on my flash, maybe you can see better like that. But you can see the screws right there. I want to show you which ones you have to take out and which ones you don't. Because as you can see, there are many screws right here, but you don't really want to take all of them out right now. Take out this one, then take out this one. And after that one, you want to take out this one, and then you want to take out that one. So do not take out these two, just that one. And after taking those out, you're going to go ahead and take here these two, and then the other two right by the speakers. So yeah, go ahead and take those two out. And before I continue, I'm gonna try to put everything, I'm gonna try to explain and then do a little time lapse so you don't get bored. And I think this video is gonna be very long, so yeah. You wanna just take out, after you take out these two screws, you wanna go ahead and take out the screws by the DVD drive. And you should be able to take this part as shown right there. I'm going to go ahead and take the screws off and then show you guys. Okay guys, so after you have taken out all those screws I just told you to in the previous video, go ahead and open it up. As you can see right there, it's already coming off. And you can use these two. So I'm gonna go ahead and start like this over in this side. Another thing you wanna have are those like plastic guitar things that will help you to lift this part off. What you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and put this right here and just start lifting it up. Just take your time and don't rush. If you rush, you might crack a little pin and you will have to buy a whole brand new assembly. So don't rush it, just watch. This is a very important part. If you don't do this, you're gonna have to replace this whole piece. So, but if you cannot just pull it out. Remember, you still have your mouse and keyboard and power button right there. You wanna lift it up. And I want to show you guys. I don't know if you can really see. Right there, you have to pull that cable up. There's like a black strip of tape that will help you pull it up. So try not to rip it off. But yeah, you can see already how dirty it is inside there. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can see right there. I don't really want to mess many stuff like here. But I do just want to pull that up. There we go. So now that you have done that, you can go ahead and lift it up. You can go ahead and put this somewhere where you know you're not gonna break it. I will go ahead and put it in top of the box like that. And here we have the insides of the computer. Quickly, you can see right there that it is very dusty, especially that fan. You can see if we use this pick, it is full of dust in there, and that's definitely not going to help with the airflow. You can also see right there, just dust, really. Then here you have your hard drive. So you're going to go ahead and just do like that. Don't do it very hard because you don't want to ruin anything. I'm going to put a time lapse because out the fan so I could clean it. It is full of dust inside. Actually, I thought it was going to be even worse, but it's not that bad. It is kind of dusty, but not as dusty as I thought it was going to be. So I will go ahead and dust it. I have cleaned it out, but I can still see some dust in there, and right there and in here. it is much cleaner. But I just found that little screw, and I wonder if I take that one out, and there's a clip right there. Maybe I can take it apart and clean it very well. So I'm gonna try. Okay guys, so as you can see, I was able to separate it. My theory was correct, although there was one more screw that was hidden in behind that black thing. So I fixed it. Now I can try to clean it correctly. As you can see, there's still a lot of dust, so I'm gonna work on that very easily. So there we go, and it actually clicked now, so I think that's good. Now let's go ahead and put the screw back where it actually goes and where it was before. Okay, and now let's put this one right here. One more thing I want to try to do is to tighten the hinge of my computer. Is, I don't know if you can tell, but it's very it moves a lot. So, oh yeah, this one's very untightened. Well, I'm just gonna quickly, very quickly clean every single thing in here. Because I want to close this up. I want to show you how I close it up, and then I want to go ahead and just put that in there. Do that. Put the display back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the fan. Okay, bend it like that. Bend it in there. Okay, so that is in there. Okay, let's just quickly clean everything lightly. Remember, very lightly. You don't want to break anything. But there we go. Oh wait, wow. Oh wow, look at that mechanism. Wow. There we go, and that's in, and just double checking everything. That is everything cool. Oh wow, I forgot to put this piece on. That one goes right there. Does it go like that? Oh yeah, that's how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna grab the blue one because the other one has thermal paste on it, and I'm gonna just do that. Yeah, this is not pasting. Okay, and before putting this back in, you can see there's a little bit of tape right there. There's like a dust in there. I'm not gonna take it off. Oh wow, I'm using the wrong brush. Okay, sorry about that. Especially the edges you want to clean. They do get very dirty. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and okay, so right now I'm gonna show you guys how to put the cable back in. But you want to, I'm gonna show you right there. I'm gonna zoom in. So you see, let's see, you see that cable right there? You want to push it in that port. Not very hard. You don't want to bend anything. You want to push it in, and then that should be all. Let me just try to do that. And now you want to see right there, or like, you can just put it back in. It's like clips, just here, the satisfaction, just here. Oh, there we go. And everything's back to normal. Now all we gotta do is I'm gonna put all the screws back together. You already know which screws are. Okay guys, so right now let's go ahead and try. You can see it has all the green lights. This is a pretty niche feature of the old computers. Okay, please, let's just turn this on. Uh-oh. Did we break something? Oh no. Okay, that's not good. Oh, believe me. Let me just check my heart rate. Oh my gosh, it really disappeared. Ooh, it's at 90. Ooh, my heart rate really went up. So that's normal. That's because I Hackintoshed it. Technically, it's Hackintoshed it. So this, I think this is definitely, or at least I feel this is a very, very long video. So you can see it's almost 4 o'clock p.m. and I started at 1, almost a 3-hour process. And I almost died right now. I'm gonna do a little time lapse here. So yeah. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of the video, and if you liked it, don't forget to comment down below and like the video down below right here. I think it's right over there. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video of this topic. So thank you for watching. Please comment down below if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, why didn't you like it? And please tell me why you did not like it so I can improve and I can do better quality videos. So thanks so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.